guys, it's me Luis. So let me show you one more thing for our collection and 3D printers. Now we have something very cool. You know the problem every time when you are in winter, there's so much areas, you see, sometimes you see that liquid, we don't have too much. Sometimes we lost a lot of time warming up in the truck and under the heater, something. So what about if we can have something like this all the time? Well, if you have that problem, what I did is create this one in 3D. We got a 3D printer port for this guy. Inside is a filament, like a almost 30 watts. So you can just close these hinges on the top, and you have the 12 battery volt. You got the switch, and you can adjust the temperature. So every time you have that problem, you can use your glass cleaner. So I'm making for this size, and the glass cleaner because they are different size. Okay, so I'm making this one. So it's very simple. It's got magnets in the back. This is the, you know, the sensors for the temperature, 12 volts, you know, adapter, the battery. Everybody has this one. These ones, or the small ones, they are not expensive. These ones, they are expensive, but you can adapt. I got adapter for this guy to this guy. So if you want to use the big ones and more power, you know, you can. And I'm making only a little lock right here, just so you can lock it, because when you drive it, maybe it's gonna be jumping around. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little lock right here, and that's all. The good thing is you can put any place on your truck. I'm gonna find a way problem in this part. I'm gonna make something here, and I can attach all the parts with the metal. Okay, because I want to attach the magnets. So that way, when you are any part of your truck, let's say, example, let's say I have a room here, you can put this guy here. Of course, it's gonna be one for the left, one for the right, if you want to put together here. That way, when you open, one open to the right, one open to the left. But here is not a good spot. But let's say here, right there. Okay, so if in case the winter time coming, just set up your thermostat, get your glass cleaner, and set the temperature you want. So now maybe this pad is not enough, but inside here I have those kind of insulate pad, but I'm gonna make another one here around, so that way it's gonna keep the warm more time than just one pad on the bottom. So okay, so soon I get the idea done, it's gonna be more bigger, another thermostat more bigger, and it's gonna be maybe 200 watts the heaters, but I want it has like a fan to cool in when you pass the temperature, because I'm gonna make that one in ABS or another nylon or polycarbonate, just to make it strong enough. Okay guys, so this is another one for our collection. Everything's gonna be able to print it. Okay, so I'm not selling nothing, but if you want to print it, you're gonna print it. Now this idea I'm gonna make on this one for the urethane. So we're gonna do the same thing here on the bottom of each of these guys. We're gonna do singles. Maybe no, they can just go together. Maybe just separate. That way we don't have to waste too much filament. Just one single port with the adapter for the battery. Or maybe the whole box is gonna have a 200 watts over here, or just one, and it's gonna warm the whole place, making a hole or something. But I'm just planning something. Do the same thing on the urethane, so that way we can have a urethane, but it's gonna be only 12 volts with a heater 200 watts. So that way you can have this guy like this with a heater. That way you keep your urethane warm, and these guys for your glass cleaner. Okay guys, all right, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Okay, thank you. And I'm gonna remove the quarter glasses with the manual pump. You will see the results. Thank you guys, see you next time.